Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Fidelity Investments offers joint accounts. The short answer is yes, Fidelity Investments does offer joint accounts. This is a common way for people like spouses, family members, or business partners to manage their investments together. Fidelity provides several types of joint accounts, each with different features. For instance, a joint brokerage account can be set up in a few different ways. The most common is joint tenants with rights of survivorship, where if one account holder passes away, the assets automatically go to the surviving owner. There are also other options like tenants in common and community property, which have different rules about how the assets are handled if an owner dies. It's important to know that while many types of investment accounts can be joint, certain accounts, like individual retirement accounts or IRAs, are for a single person and cannot be opened as a joint account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.